I'll guide you through how to use Google Calendar plugin for Obsidian. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open obsidian.md in your browser. Once the website is loaded, download the Obsidian application and complete all the setup steps to install it on your computer. After the installation is finished and the app is ready, open Obsidian and you will be directed to the homepage. To add a calendar, locate the Settings button at the bottom left corner of the interface and click it. In the Settings menu, navigate to the Community Plugins section and click the Turn on Community Plugins option. Next, click the Browse button in the Community Plugins section. After the available templates appear, find and click on the calendar template. Click the Install button, and once the installation is complete, click Enable to activate the plugin. After everything is set up, return to the home page and click the Expand button located beside the Minimize button on the top right corner of the app. Drag the sidebar to the left until you find the Calendar button, then click it. Your calendar is now ready. To create a new daily note, simply click on any date you want, and a note for that specific day will be created.